All right, good morning. We are at 9874 West Highwood Court in Sun City. We just came on the market today for $325. This is on the corner of a cul-de-sac. You'll see a nice, because it's kind of the corner of the curve, nobody really next to you, and that is the golf course, Union Hills Golf Course, right across the street. 2-car garage, 1855 square feet. The laundry room will put it over 2,000 unofficially. So when you walk in, you'll notice you have this really big private front courtyard, just ready to enjoy. And as you walk up to the front door, you'll see it has a Japanese screen. That is the steel screen that you cannot cut. That's a custom door. And then behind it is an oak door with lead glass in it. And then as we go to the left, you'll see this kitchen has been totally remodeled. Nice solid cabinets, black stone granite, and then it opens up here to the rest of the house. All the appliances match. The black matches the countertops. You have your kitchen nook here. You don't see these in a lot of the homes in Sun City, and you can see right out to that park-like setting on the side yard. Then we'll real quick come over here into, this is the laundry room, craft room. It is about 10 feet deep and about 20 feet, at least 20 feet wide. Washer, dryer, a freezer, more cabinets. And then if you come over here into the garage, you'll see that tabletop was more storage over here. 2-car garage with lots more storage. And then the side door opens up to that park area as well. There you go, back outside. Nice mature trees. Rock is brand new. HOA just maintains all of that. And then your formal dining room, and over here is your living room. Again, all those cabinets match the kitchen, shutters throughout. And then in your Arizona room, it has the back lighting, an electric fireplace and TV, more shutters. That it also matches the cabinets, and that is your computer office. And then we will take a quick look outside. You'll see there's no one directly behind you. Just kind of the luck of the draw makes it a really private backyard. And then when we walk down the hallway, you'll see 2 closets. All the doors have been replaced. They have paneled doors with the updated hardware. This is the guest bathroom, a tub, nice deep tub with a seat in the back. And then here is bedroom 2, all the same tile, and then your baseboard is a 3-inch tile. This opens up to your courtyard, so you'll have no one looking in your window. Check out, this is the second bedroom, a nice deep closet. Ceiling fan in both bedrooms. And then here is the primary suite. Again, another deep walk-in closet. It's a little wider than the other one. Shutters, same tile throughout. And the bathroom matches the kitchen. Skylights. We're here till noon. Just came on the market today for $324,900, 9874 West Highwood Court. Come on out.